Ingrid collects autographs. She started her collection with X autographs. Then she doubled the number of autographs in her collection. Later, she received 3 additional autographs in the mail. She now has between 85 and 90 autographs in her collection. Which inequality can be used to determine the number of autographs with which Ingrid started her collection? Notice that these are compound inequalities, specifically an AND compound inequality. What we know is that Ingrid first started with X autographs. Then it doubled. The key word here for doubled tells us that this is going to be times 2. So this is now 2 times what she started with, X. Or we can just make this 2X. Then it says she received 3 additional autographs. Well, additional tells us that that will be adding 3 additional. So now what I have, from line 1 I had X, line 2 I now have 2X, but line 3 is now going to be the 2X plus 3. So that tells us what the guts of the problem are, the inside of the compound inequality. So if I look at my multiple choice options, I'm looking for the one that will have 2x plus 3 in the middle. Which one is that? That is option C. And because it stated that it was between, that told us that it's not going to be equal to. So we know that the minimum here was the 85. So 85 is less than 2x plus 3, which is less than the maximum autographs of 90. And that information, once again, came from here. It was between the 85 and the 90.